Green tea is supposed to be healthy. Can something as simple as tea have any medical effect? Well, let's investigate that question. There are many varieties of green tea. The best ones I recommend come from Japan. They are the varieties named Sencha and Gyokuro. I often hear the question, aren't these teas from Japan contaminated with radiation from Fukushima? No, they are not, because these tea varieties grow on the southmost islands of Japan. That's hundreds of miles away from Fukushima. And when they're imported into Europe, they get inspected. These tea varieties are flawless, green tea and black tea. They come from the same plant. Green tea is simply steamed, and black tea is fermented. It's different in the production and taste, of course, but it's from the same plant. The difference is the amount of caffeine. 1 cup of black tea contains about 80 milligrams of caffeine. You can feel that. It's like coffee. In the case of green tea, it's usually about 10 milligrams. However, certain varieties of a cup of green tea can also contain up to 40 milligrams of caffeine. The main active ingredient is called Epigalo-3... Okay, wait. This is tough. The main active ingredient in green tea is called epigallocatechin 3-gallate. In short, EGCG. This active ingredient has incredible effects in the body. It is perhaps the best antioxidant that we know of. It is about 200 times more powerful than vitamin E and much stronger than vitamin C in the antioxidant field. That means it is an anti-inflammatory, but above all, and that is why I talk about green tea, it is incredibly good in the treatment of cancer. Cancer does not go away after 5 cups of tea. Please don't get me wrong. But it has a supportive effect on whatever cancer therapy you get. It has a cancer-inhibiting effect. Studies have identified at least 30 different targets in cancer cells where this EGCG has an effect. A US oncologist, Professor Albert Baldwin, said a medical resource, no matter what, that slows down NF-κB is always a potentially good cancer cure. And that's exactly what green tea does. This EGCG inhibits the substance nuclear factor kappa B NF-κB, which plays a major role in the development of cancer. In addition, a tumor must supply itself with vessels. This requires an enzyme, VEGF, vascular endothelial growth factor. This enzyme is also strongly inhibited by green tea. We can indirectly control tumor growth by blocking its vascular supply. Within the immune system, there is an increase of B cells, which are lymphocytes in the blood that can cause cancer. These are just the 3 most important ones. There are many other opportunities where EGCG can attack cancer cells. Now, what should I do if I have cancer? You can drink green tea at any stage of a tumor. That is never a problem anyway. But I repeat again, green tea alone does not achieve very much. We need higher doses of these pathogens to attack the tumor, and this can only be done through the green tea extract in capsule form. This can be done during chemotherapy or after all therapies have been completed. Green tea is a key product in tumor treatment for me. At least 3 capsules per day, maybe even better 6. 3 times 2. But if you go too high, then the pathogens can attack the liver or kidney. Here again for protection, so that this does not happen, add a little vitamin E, approximately 400 units per day. Green tea is a very exciting topic, something effective and inexpensive. You'll find a link to a PDF in the description below. Download it. and get more information on green tea.